Hello everyone, welcome to Cayin Technology SMP Neo 2 Series Media Player tutorial video. After editing the network settings, you can start to manage the SMP player remotely from your PC. In the SMP player package, you will find an info card. Scan the QR code on the card and access the official Cayin Download Center. You can also go to the technical support area on Cayin official website and access the Download Center. In the Download Center, find Cayin Device Seeker under Software Tools and click Download to save it on your PC. Now run Cayin Device Seeker and click Seek to find the player. Please note that you may not be able to locate the player through Cayin Device Seeker if the SMP player and your PC are not in the same LAN. Select your player and click Open Web to open the web manager in your browser. Instead of using the Device Seeker, you can also open the browser and enter the IP address of the SMP player to open the user interface. Let's log in again via your browser. Now we are ready for the setup of SMP player. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos or go to the online help on each page. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing Cayin Technology.